Welcome to Spoken English Without Fear. In today's video, we will listen to a friendly conversation between two friends. This will help you practice real English sentences that you can use in daily life. So, let's begin. Good morning, Rahul.
Good morning, Bikesh. You're early today.
Yes, I wanted to review the homework before class starts.
That's smart. Honestly, yesterday's homework was a little tricky.
Exactly. I had trouble with question number 4.
Oh, that one? I struggled too, but I asked my brother for help. He explained it to me.
That's nice. Can you explain it to me later?
Sure, we can sit together during lunch break.
By the way, which subject do we have first today?
I think it's English.
Oh, good. I like English. The teacher always gives us useful sentences.
Yes, but sometimes I feel shy to speak in front of the whole class.
I understand. I used to feel the same, but now I'm trying to speak more confidently.
Really? How are you improving?
I practice with small sentences every day. Even if I make mistakes, I don't stop.
That's a good idea. Maybe I should try the same.
Yes, Rahul. If we practice together, it will be easier.
Bikesh, are you coming to the canteen?
Yes, let's go. I'm really hungry.
Same here. What will you eat today?
I think I'll have a sandwich. What about you?
I'll get samosas. They're always fresh in the morning.
True. By the way, do you have extra water? I forgot to bring mine.
Yes, I do. Here, take some.
Thanks, Rahul. You always help me.
Don't mention it. That's what friends are for.
Rahul, are you ready for the science test tomorrow?
Oh no, I almost forgot about it.
Don't worry. We can revise together today after football practice.
That's a good idea. What chapters are included in the test?
From chapter 3 to chapter 6.
That's a lot. I'll need your help.
Don't worry, we'll go step by step.
Are you joining the football practice this evening?
Yes, I never miss it.
Me too. It's fun, and it keeps us active.
Exactly. Also, we can relax after practice with some group study.
That's perfect. Let's meet at the ground at 5 p.m.
Done. See you there.
Okay, Bikesh, I'll head to class now.
Sure, Rahul. Thanks for helping me with my homework later.
Anytime, and don't forget, we have football at 5.
I won't forget. See you soon.
See you, my friend.
Great job. You just learned how friends talk in English every day. Keep practicing these conversations, and soon you will speak with confidence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. See you in the next lesson.